20. Sanksi. Very good afternoon to the whole of Caribbean Long, the Mahasau and West Caribbean Long. We from the Caribbean Students Association and ASDC Youth Front. The main purpose of our long march from Parakwa to Difu from 31st January to till today, and next 2 days left, is to implement Article 244A. Successive governments in Caribbean Long and Assam, there in the country, there in the Delhi, have been promising us that Article 244 will be implemented once the government is told. BJP came into power in 2014 there at the center, here at the state also, and Caribbean Long Autonomous Council from 2017. But no such keen interest has been made upon by the government to implement Article 244A to the Constitution of India. So even now, government have been talking about the talks will be held there in Delhi, consisting of state government, union government, and also the stakeholders of the autonomy movement, the likes of ASDC, PHLC, GEMS, Hanse faction, CASCOM, and some cases. So, but what we need is to have that intimation from the Home Ministry, that invitation for talks, direct talks for autonomous state. There should not be any such conditions, only for exclusively for talks to implement Article 244A. This is the promise made by the BJP government before they came to power, right from 2009. LK Advani to till today also. Our CM also have been saying the same thing. Therefore, first of all, we want that intimation letter from the Home Ministry to the stakeholders of autonomy movement, and also right after, once we receive that letter, we must have that consultative meetings concerning all the stakeholders, Karbi Lamedamai, KCS, we have 5 or 6 KSA, ASDC Youth Front, KSA, PHLC, GEMS, and many others. Therefore, that consultative meeting, right after that, only we must go to Delhi. Who will go to Delhi? How many will go to Delhi for talks? That's a different thing. But we must be given the opportunity to receive that intimation letter, invitation for talks, and also consultative meeting, and peace and people's unity is what we need. There must be no such kind of disturbance